What we care about are the cries emanating from deep inside the mountains. What gratifies us is to become part of your life. What makes us proud is to play an important role in the rise of our country. What we are pursuing is the determination to create the future. China Railway Group has built over 2/3 of the total mileage of China's railways. We have built over 90% of China's catenary system of electrified railways. We have built more than half of all China's urban rail projects. We have constructed close to 10,000 bridges, including Hangzhou Bay Sea Crossing Bridge, Hong Kong-Zhuhai Macau Bridge, totaling about 17,000 kilometers. We have completed long tunnels, such as the Sheng'an Undersea Tunnel of Xiamen and the Guangzhou-Shenzhen Shizhiyang Tunnel, covering a distance of over 16,000 kilometers. China Railway Group Limited. Be brave to advance in pursuit of excellence. Since listing on the Shanghai Stock Exchange and the Hong Kong Stock Exchange in December 2007, we have enhanced our corporate governance practices. At present, we are one of the world's largest integrated construction groups. Our company is one of the first national innovative enterprises, possessing 3 state-level laboratories: the National Engineering Laboratory for High-Speed Railway Construction Technology, National Key Laboratory of Shield Tunneling and Drilling Technology, and National Key Laboratory of Bridge Structural Stability and Safety, 7 postdoctoral workstations, as well as 11 state-level corporate technology center. By the end of 2015, we had obtained 103 State Science and Technology Progress Awards and 4,956 patent licenses. In Fortune 2015, we ranked 71st among the world's top 500 and 7th among China's top 500. According to Engineering News Record ENR, we are the largest contractor in the world. We will keep forging ahead and continue to lead the growth of the industry. Infrastructure construction, as a foundation of interconnectivity, is our main source of revenue and profit. Its contracted projects cover all the provinces and autonomous regions in China, as well as 68 countries and regions across the world. In 2015, we eagerly grasped the market opportunities presented by national strategies, such as One Belt, One Road, integration of Beijing, Tianjin, Hebei regions, and the Yangtze River Economic Belt. We were paying equal attention to external market developments and internal management reform to maintain the steady growth in the infrastructure business. Our infrastructure construction technology is strong, and our core competitiveness is obvious. In 2015, we further refined the management of engineering projects at trunk lines, such as Mengxi Central China Railway, the Shenzhou Hefei Hangzhou High-Speed Railway Line, and the Jinan Qingdao High-Speed Railway Line projects. We participated in the construction of the world's only high-speed railway around an island, the island of Hainan Railway, and of China's most beautiful railway, the Hefei Fujian Railway. Both railways had commenced operation according to plan. A large number of urban rails projects, like in Shenzhen, Nanning, Qingdao, Guangzhou, and Chengdu, have been put to use according to plan. We have well adapted to the domestic infrastructure investment and financing system reforms, vigorously innovating its commercial model. The PPP model was adopted to work on the Hangzhou-Xi'an Railway, Kunming Metro, Hongshan City, G205 National Highway, and other infrastructure projects. In 2015, we had a more than 47.4% share of China's railway infrastructure market and an over 50% share in domestic urban rails market, having the largest share in both these markets in China. Roads, housing construction, municipal affairs, airports, port waterways, water conservancy, and hydropower. China Railway Group has maintained an adequate market share. Demonstration projects for urban underground integrated utility tunnels and sponge city construction are proceeding in an orderly manner. In the grand One Belt, One Road blueprint, we are acting as a go-between to achieve interconnection and communication between countries. China-Laos Railway, the China-Thailand Railway, and the Indonesia-Mazakazu Railway have kicked off with groundbreaking ceremony as the design is underway for the Moscow-Kazan high-speed railway and its Angren Pap Railway Tunnel in Uzbekistan. Central Asia's longest railway tunnel is completed from Kunming to Vientiane, from China to Thailand, from China to Central Asia. One Belt, One Road not only shortens space and distance, but brings together a community with shared interests, a community of shared destinies and dreams. As China's pillar industry, we shoulder a great sense of mission and responsibility and keep progressing to a higher standard. China Railway Group is China's largest manufacturer of railway equipment, large-scale steel structures, engineering equipment, and component manufacturing for urban rails construction in China, as well as one of the largest manufacturers of railway turnouts and shields in the world. We are also the largest developer and manufacturer of acceleration rail turnouts, high manganese steel welded frogs, and full sets of TBM in China. We account for 50%, 65%, and 65% of China's shields, acceleration rail turnouts, and steel structure markets, respectively. We have undertaken the National Shields TBM 863 project multiple times, and have so far been the only enterprise to lead the 973 project in China, with the launch of the nation's first full-section rock tunnel boring machine, and the largest rectangular shields by our own R&D, China's first urban rail damping turnouts, and the 30-ton axle single heavy railway turnouts were put into mass production. China's first heavy rail dual-purpose bridge witnessed the accurate closure of the two steel girder sections of Jingzhou-Yangtze River Highway Railway Bridge. Independent, innovative technological achievements and applications have greatly improved our technological strength and core competitiveness. We uphold superb craftsmanship to improve the quality of the products and the concept of development and innovation to establish a corporate image. We are committed to becoming the high-end brand for the CRG equipment manufacturing. Excellent planning and outstanding design, offering a full suite of services to its customers. China Railway Group provides professional one-stop solutions. We ranked 22nd on ENR's list of the top 150 global design firms in 2015. We give full play to its advantages and has developed a national-level plan and railway plan with one belt, one road at the core, and covering the 4 continents of Africa, Asia, Europe, and America, effectively promoting the going-out strategy of China's railway technology and technical standards, and leading the industry development trend. Overseas railway design projects undertaken by the company accounted for more than 50% of total number of overseas railway projects. The government cooperation projects involved in the pre-operation accounted for more than 80%. In China, we still maintain the leading position in railway engineering, urban rail transport survey, and design industry, accounting for over 30% and 35% market share respectively in these two markets. Driving innovation, transforming and upgrading. In 2015, faced with the changing property market, we continue to optimize our real estate platform to develop new property fields, deepen the combination of finance and industry, innovate business models, and continue to promote the brand of CRG Real Estate. We have explored and cultivated new growth points of our real estate business with tourism and leisure real estate, such as the Guizhou International Ecological Tourism City project, with convention and exhibition real estate, such as Qingdao Expo City, with city complex projects, such as the Kuala Lumpur Bandar Malaysia City Complex, with land development along railway tracks and newly built railway stations, such as a cooperation with the Nanchang Railway Bureau, and with homes for the elderly real estate pilot programs, built in cooperation with local governments. BOT highway projects, financial services, mining resources, etc. develop steadily and in coordination. Annual result performance continues to grow at high rates, and China Railway Group remains steady development as a result of the country's sound macroeconomic environment, strong support of the shareholders, and above all, the hard work of all employees. In 2015, our total revenue reached 624.104 billion RMB, a year-on-year growth of 1.88%. Net profit attributable to owners of the company amounted to 12.258 billion RMB, a year-on-year growth of 18.32%. The value of new contracts amounting to 957.02 billion yuan, year-on-year growth of 2.4%, achieving a perfect ending for the enterprise of the 12th five-year plan. During the past 5 years, we have entered a new phase of high-speed growth while providing excellence. Meanwhile, it actively shoulders and fully implements social responsibility, making important contributions to stimulating economic growth, promoting the progress of science and technology, enhancing employment and environmental protection and other aspects. We have received wide recognition and compliment from society. China Railway Group has played a prominent role as a backbone enterprise in promoting the development of the national economy. 2016 is the start-off year of the 13th five-year plan. In the face of market opportunities, the opportunity of reform, the shareholders' trust and employees' expectations. We will uphold the development notion of solid foundation, fine projects, new mechanism, strict management, consolidated strength and excellence, enhancing the quality and efficiency to start 13th five-year plan on a good footing. Like a firm rock in midstream, iron shoulders carry morality and justice. China Railway Group will continue to forge ahead in the face of challenges and difficulties, aiming to become one of the best and reach for even greater heights. Aiming to become one of the best and reach for even greater heights.